Hello and welcome to my channel Khan Marketing. In this video I am going to show you how you can earn $1,000 per month from Pinterest. Many people have heard about the Pinterest but they do not know how to generate traffic or how to make money from Pinterest. In this video, if you wanted to earn money from Pinterest, then this video will really help you out how to start working on Pinterest in a step-by-step manner. But before starting out this video, if you do not know about my channel, then here I am showing you all the money making tips, digital marketing concepts, and how to become an entrepreneur and leave your 9 to 5 job. If you wanted to get similar types of videos, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. If you wanted to earn a full-time income from home, the system that I am using and making money from it, I have placed that system link in the description box below. I highly recommend you to join that system, and you can join this system for free, and I highly recommend to everyone who is looking for earning a full-time income from home should join this system. So let's get started. Pinterest $1,000 per month strategy. These are simple 4 steps, and the 5th step is actually the scaling your business. And if you just go through the step one by one, in step 1, create your business account on Pinterest. Don't worry, I will show you all in a complete detail, but just going to show you a summary here. Create your business account on the Pinterest in step 1. In step 2, choose your affiliate product. In step 3, build your foundation. In step 4, how to drive traffic from the Pinterest. So let's get started. In step 1, create your business account on the Pinterest. For creating a business account, move to the business.pinterest.com. If you do not have a Pinterest account, then just go to this link business.pinterest.com and click on the sign up button. From here you can create your business account with the Pinterest. If you have already created an individual account with the Pinterest, then you can upgrade your individual or personal account to the business account for free. The power of business account is that you will get detailed analytics about how much traffic or how much engagement you are getting on the Pinterest. For personal account or the individual account, you do not get that stats. So for better working on the Pinterest, I highly recommend you to start your journey by creating a business account, and it is free. Now you have completed your first step. Now let's move to the second step. Choose your affiliate product. We are promoting affiliate products, and the beauty of affiliate product is that you can find them on different affiliate platforms. You do not need to create your own product. All you need is to sign up with different affiliate marketplaces and just take those vendors' product and start promoting it. For the purpose of this video, I am using a ClickBank. ClickBank.com is a free, and you can just create your account by clicking on that button, and it hardly takes you 2 to 3 minutes. After creating your account and log in with the ClickBank, just move to the affiliate marketplace. Now you are seeing that on the left hand side of your screen, there's a categories option. You may call these categories different niches. And if you do not know about the Pinterest, then please remember that 80% of the Pinterest traffic are females. So we are targeting females here. And for targeting females, so target only those niches that are relevant to the females, in which they have an interest. And for the purpose of this video, I highly recommend you to either choose a cooking niche, health and fitness niche, or parenting and family niche. These are highly targeted niches for the female audience. And even you can promote other products as well, like motivational, self-help, and something like that. But these 3 niches are very popular among the females, and I highly recommend you to go for one of these 3 niches. After selecting your niche, choose your affiliate product. Just let's suppose you have chosen a cooking niche. Just click on the cooking. And now you are seeing here different cooking products. Just sort those products using gravity. Gravity is actually a number which tells us that how many affiliates are making money from this product from the last 3 months. Let's suppose this product has a gravity of 204. It means 204 affiliates have sold this products in the last 3 months. Even if one affiliate have sold 1,000 products, then it shall be counted as one. I hope you get the idea. Now, for choosing the products on the ClickBank, I highly recommend you to choose the product that has the highest gravity, because a lot of affiliates are making money in that product. So we are moving in choosing that product that is already making money for the affiliates. Just choose a product that has the higher gravity, like more than 50, and that also offers the highest commission. I suggest you to at least go for the product that offers you, more than $30 or more than $40. But for the sake of this example, I am taking this product. I am fine with the $24 because it has a very high gravity. But for earning $1,000 per month, the higher the product price would be, you will achieve your target very quickly. But the price should not be not high to that extent that people wouldn't buy that product. So the price of the product would be in the range of $80 to $150. That offers you the commission from $30 to $40 or $40 to $80. The beauty of ClickBank is that it offers you 50% to 80% commission of the product price, because majority of the products are digital products, so they offer you the better commission rates than physical products like working on Amazon and eBay. Just click on this product, Keto Resources, and just go through the product, that how this product look like, how this product landing page looks like. Now you are seeing that this is the landing page of this product, and the price is $37, and the landing page looks good to me. And for affiliates, this is the affiliate page. Just click on this page, and now this is the guidance for the affiliates. Just provide your email here, and you can subscribe to their email service, and with emails they will provide you useful information about this product, or if there is any update, they will also update you through email. Now you have come up with the product. Choose your affiliate product. You have created a business pay account, and you have come up with an affiliate product. In step 3, build up your foundation. For building up your foundation, there are 3 main steps, or there are 3 main types of foundations you can use for this strategy. Either you can create a website. The second one is you can create a Web 2.0 blog. For creating a website, you need a domain name and a hosting. And for creating a Web 2.0 blog, it is free, but you are not controlling Web 2.0 blog. Like you are creating your website or a blog on Blogger, WordPress, Tumblr, and there are a lot of free Web 2.0 platforms out there on which you can create your free blog. And the third option is creating a YouTube video. Now it is up to you which method you want to decide. If you ask me, I highly recommend you to create your own website. You should buy a generic domain name, and like if you're choosing a cooking niche, then you can just choose a domain name related to cooking, like Cooking Planet or Cooking World or something like that. And if you somehow wanted to increase a new product in your domain, new product in your website, then you can easily do that. Let's suppose if you buy a domain name related to this product, 28 Day Keto, so this is already a product name, and if you wanted to promote some other product in the cooking niche, then you cannot do that because it doesn't make sense, and you have to buy the new domain name. That's why I am recommending you to buy a generic name, and in cooking world, let's suppose you have bought a domain in cookingworld.com and you have just created a page on 28dayketo.com, and after some time you have decided to promote some other product, then you can create a second page on your website. That's why I am suggesting you to buy a generic domain name for your website. For domain name, I recommend you to go to the namecheap.com, and for the hosting, I recommend you to go for the Bluehost. For Bluehost, I will put a Bluehost link in my description box. If you wanted to buy, I highly recommend you to go through that link. And if you do not have the budget, you can just go to the free WordPress blog, Weebly blog, or a blogger.com. If you just go to blogger.com, you can join this site using your Gmail account. It is the property of the Google, and you can create beautiful blog with blogger.com. But you are not controlling your blogs on the Blogger, and every domain you can create on, you will create on Blogger. It will come up like if you have chosen a domain name Blogger World in blogger.com, then it will come up an extension of bloggerworld.blogspot.com. Your actually Blogger World is a subdomain in the Blogger, so you do not own that property. It is actually the property of the Blogger. And apart from Blogger, you can just go to the Weebly, you can go to the Jimdo, you can go to the WordPress, free WordPress, and you can even go to there are other Web 2.0 platforms out there. And the third strategy is, I recommend you to create your YouTube channel. And after creating your YouTube channel, you have to create a video related to your product. Let's suppose you are promoting 28-day keto diet, then you need to come up a video. For that purpose, you can either create showing your face, or just recording a video, or just creating a slide based video. There are three options, like just showing your face, or just recording your voice, or just creating a slide based video. It is up to you which one you want to choose, whether you go through the website, whether you go through the Web 2.0, whether you go through the video. And if you go through the video, then you have three options, whether you can go through by showing your face, or whether just you want to go through regarding your voice, just I am doing for this video, or you can just go by creating a slide based video. For slide based video, you can use Microsoft PowerPoint, or you can move to a website that is known as lumen5.com. This is a website you just need to paste your content here, and this software will create a video for you. And the second website is for creating a slide based video, wave.video. Lumen5 and the wave.video are great sites for creating a slide based video. I hope you get the idea. Now in step 4, how to drive traffic from Pinterest. Now just let's move to the Pinterest.com. If you just move through the Pinterest.com, then you are seeing that this is the search section. Actually, when people landed over on the Pinterest, they are just looking for the information here, just like they are doing on the Google. Pinterest is same like search engine, but it is a social media and an image search engine. Like if you just search for chicken recipes, then these are chicken recipes you are seeing. Now if you like that image, then you just click on that image, and this is the further information. If you wanted to get further detailed information, you will either click on the image or click on the link, and by doing this you will move to the original website from that image has been pinned. Now you are landed over the original website, from where you can read that information, how to create baked orange chicken recipe. Now you have get up the idea how to get traffic from Pinterest to your website. That's how people are generating Pinterest traffic to their blogs. Just like people search on the search section in the Pinterest, pinterest.com, and once they find the relevant image, they can click on those images, and from those images they will move to the original website. This is the one section of generating traffic from the Pinterest, and there is a second section. Let's suppose you have a website and you have created a account on Pinterest. Now let's suppose you have a followers. If you just pin your website image in the Pinterest, then that image will be shared with your followers. And let's suppose you have 1,000 followers. There is a chance that 20% of those followers will click on your image and move from the Pinterest to your website. That's how you can generate traffic from the Pinterest to your website. I have already created 2 to 3 videos on Pinterest how you can generate traffic from Pinterest to your website. If you like this strategy, you can just go through those videos, and I have already shared you all this in a step-by-step manner. That's how you will create your, let's suppose you have created your website or a video or a Web 2.0 blog, and for starting your journey with the Pinterest, this is the strategy. Create at least 10 boards, pinning daily 5 images in your boards, and follow at least 20 people a day. If you follow 20 people a day, there is a chance that those people will follow you back. That's how you can grow your followers. And if you have thousands of followers, if anything you will share on the Pinterest, like you have created a 28-day keto video or a page on your website, and let's suppose if you share that video on your Pinterest account, then those people will move from the Pinterest to your video or a blog. In step 5, how to scale your business. After completing your strategy, if you wanted to increase this potential, then all you need is to follow people on a regular basis. If you follow 50 people a day, there is a chance that 20 to 30 people will follow you back. That's how you grow your followers. And once you have thousands or tens of thousands of followers, if anything you share on your Pinterest account, let's suppose you share 2 images a day, then there is a chance that those people will click on your image, and from the Pinterest, they will move from the Pinterest to your blog, to your website, or to your video. That's how you can scale your business. Once you have a good traffic coming in from the Pinterest to your website or a blog, then you can monetize that traffic. You can put your affiliate link in your blog, or you can put your affiliate link in the description box of your videos. This is a simple strategy I have created for everyone. If you like this video, if you wanted to get similar types of videos, I recommend you to click the subscribe button. If you like this video, don't forget to click the like button. So that's all for today. Thank you.